Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This lesson shows how to create Excel's lower, upper, and proper functions. They let you change text to lowercase, uppercase, and proper case. Here's a simple list of employee names. Say that you want to show these names in lower, upper, or proper case, depending on the report they go into. For lowercase, select the first lowercase cell and enter =, lower, left parenthesis, select the row's employee name cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. For uppercase, select the first uppercase cell and enter =, upper, left parenthesis, select the employee name cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. For proper case, select the first proper case cell and enter =, proper, left parenthesis, select the employee name cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. You've now changed the names to lower, upper, and proper case, making them look better. Another type of case is sentence case, which capitalizes only the first character of the first word. There's no Excel function for this, but if it's important for you to create it, use this formula. Use these functions when you want to change the case of text to lower, upper, proper, or sentence. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.